If your bathroom shelf is full of skincare products and your skincare is still struggling, well, I don't think you actually need more skincare products. You actually need a cleaner routine, more like a simple routine instead of too much bobo tea on your face. Now, for most people, the foundation is just based on four things: cleanse, moisturize, protect, and treat your skin. That's all you need. Now, in order for the cleansing phase, you need to strip off the dirt from your face. Oil, residue of, you went out in the sun, you came back, your makeup, the sunscreen, without, unnecessarily stripping your skin from its lipid. You need to cleanse your skin, and you also need a gentle cleanser. Now, you don't only just need a cleanser for your face. Now, this is our hyaluronic acid. I'm so sorry. Now, this is our niacinamide plus hyaluronic acid face wash. You just don't only need a face wash, you also need a bath soap. Bear in mind that the product you use on your face is different from the product you use on your body. For the body, you need either 3x Moshea soap, and I'll put our bland citrus body wash on the screen, which you can actually use on your body to take your bath. So this should serve as your cleansing phase. Your moisturizer is the second phase, which is to help maintain your skin barrier and also help to reduce moisture loss. All right, it helps hydrate your skin. Now, we have different phases of your moisturizer. You have the moisturizer you use at night. Most times you still term it as treatment. This falls under treatment section. While we have a moisturizer used during the day. Now, the moisturizer used during the day is to help lock in enough hydration on your skin to give you moisture on your skin. So it's a must, you need to hydrate your skin during the day. So this product is our moisturizer that is used during the day. That's our body care moisturizer. It's a maintaining moisturizer that doesn't darken the skin, but can also help in treating, either if you have strawberry legs or you have a little bit of body spots. It can still be used during the day, even at night if you want to, but I strongly advise during the day. Third phase is your sunscreen. This is very important. It's a vital part of skincare. You have to shield your skin from the review of the sun, all right, in order to help your skin from being damaged and also help prevent pigmentation from getting worse. Okay, so now this is our skin protect. It helps shield your skin from the sun, and it's best to always apply every 2 hours. And I know some people will say, oh, I can't apply every 2 hours because I'm a bit busy, and if I apply it, it becomes so, my face becomes all sticky and oily. Try and shield your skin from the sun. I beg, apart from applying the sunscreen, you still have to shield your skin from the sun, because you see, the biggest killer of skincare or of a glowing skin is the sun. The review of the sun damages the skin more than any other thing I've seen. So try to shield your skin from the sun. Now, the fourth phase is treatments. Now, this depends on someone's concern, whichever person's concern. Either they might be dealing with acne, hyperpigmentation, dryness, pimples, uneven skin tone, dark patches, knuckles. Most times treatments are best used at night. There's a reason why we use treatments at night, because of the harshness of the sun, and product actually works better at night because then your skin is calm, is free, devoid of harshness, environmental factors and the rest. You're in the house, you're calm, cool, probably you're putting on the AC, so product works better. So that's why we always employ people. Which Igbo won't matter. That's why we always encourage. That's the word. That's why we always encourage people to use their treatment at night. Most times, even your skin lightening products are used at night. So this is where Pure Phenol comes in. If you want to use your Pure Phenol body lotion at night, if you actually want to use your retinol at night, most times you want to use our Lemiki skin body oil. I'll put it on the screen, which was formerly known as porcelain oil. The 3 series, mostly used at night. And now, because of the new formulation, it is very thick. It is thicker. And the three of them can be used with your lotion. We've improved it, right? Most times in skincare, you need to improve and advance the product. So we've improved it, made it stronger, and we've also made it effective. Where all the oils can be used on the skin, all the oils can be used or mixed inside the product. Then it was only advanced that could be mixed inside the cream. Now all the oils can be mixed inside the cream, but you just need to know the exact oil that works best for your skin. And if you're also treating hyperpigmentation, which is PIH, it falls under this category at night as well. Use the 4-phase method. That's what I encourage people. Skincare shouldn't be too cumbersome and too stressful. All right, that's why most times my customers will say, "Oh, Sumi, Jerry, I got tired of applying it." At first, when I first started skincare, the journey, it was a bit too stressful for me. I was like, I use this. Then I came about this 4-phase issue, and ever since, my skin has been nice. Has it not been good? You don't need to stress yourself in terms of skincare. It doesn't need too much stress. That's why most people will tell you, ever since I've known Mickey has always been a light skin. It was when I got pregnant, people believed I was a dark skin lady and not a light skin lady. Because then they were always saying, Mickey popatele jare. You know, look on parfum, popatele. She's not a dark skin person. There was a time I even displayed a picture of mine. I'll show you when I was in OAU, my first degree. A girl was saying, Lysium, you don't darken the whole place to make it look dark. I was like, I've always been a dark lady. Always been a dark skin lady. So that's to tell you, if you follow the 4-phase, you don't need too much bobo-tibo. You don't need too much of that. Little goes a long way. And you don't need to pack all the whole cosmetic or cream in your bathroom for people to say, I'm using this. Most times you're even confusing your skin because you use this, you use this. Too much workload. There's a particular product you stick to on your face. Know that this is what I use on my face. This is what I use for my body. This is what I use to exfoliate my body. This is what I use at night, and this is what I use during the day. And also using your product with consistency. That is what will give you a beautiful glow. Alright? And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.